Hey there, I'm Julie Wong from Mighty Hands. Welcome to our Script Alpha tag video. So I actually stamped this tag for Gloria, who's one of our customers, and she placed an order with us. We include a customized message in every single order that goes out, and this was just me doing exactly that. So to stamp Gloria, I used the capital G from Handwritten Alpha, and the rest of the letters are from Script Alpha. This is the kind of stamp design where clear stamps really shine. I mean, look how easy it is to just look through the clear acrylic block and the clear stamp and to stamp exactly where you want. It's really easy to connect the letters, and actually if it's not completely perfect, it'll still look nice because it's a cursive handwritten kind of font. To just step it up a little bit, I decided to add a drop shadow to the letters. I'm using this really cool shiny metallic silver pen from Pentel called the Hybrid Dual Metallic Pen. And let me tell you, this is the sparkliest gel pen that I've ever seen. The nib is a little bit big though, and it is kind of inky, so just be careful not to overlap your stamping too much. There are a couple spots where the stamping isn't as solid as I'd like, so I'm just going over those spots with my Muji navy gel pen. So this set is really versatile. It pairs really well with Handwritten Alpha and also our new Outline Alpha, which it was designed to work together with. If you'd like to try out these stamps, you can find them at mightymightyhands.com. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media on Instagram and on Facebook, and to tag us with all your awesome projects. God bless the work of your hands.